Hey everybody, my name is Chris.Buystedt. I'm here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, and I wanted to present this really awesome Apex trailer. It's made by Coachmen, actually. It is the 187 RB. RB stands for rear bath. It's just a small little cute trailer. It's got everything you need for you or a couple people just to take off and get out and do a little camping. And what's really great, the dry weight on this is just a hair over 3,000 pounds, so it can be pulled by many lighter weight vehicles. You might notice that it's got a window in the front, which is pretty nice because this gel cap is not only very hard and protects against flying rocks or debris or water, so these don't leak. They're insulated well. They're really neat little trailers. You've got a really nice pass through in them. Look how wide this is for a little trailer. It's all finished. This trailer is aluminum frame, fiberglass construction, and what's really special is this trailer has Asdel composite panels, which are impervious to moisture, mildew, and mold, and have a less than 1% chance of delamination. So this is a quality rig for the Northwest that you can have for years and be really happy with. You will notice it's got power speakers on the outside, a beautiful outdoor awning, a big one that comes out and lights up an LED. Come on in, let's show you around. So like I said, it's just a small little cute trailer, but look how cute it is. You've got overhead space over here. There's that window I was telling you about. It's got a nice shade that pulls down. A lot of people like that. If they hear something they like, that they can just roll over and look out the window and see what's going on outside. You've got a nice little wardrobe, place to hang both sides. Got some storage underneath the bed. This particular unit, it does have a little fan inside of the vent, and it also has AC. Really nice little kitchen area here. Just enough room to get everything you need to do. They don't put an oven in these. They do a microwave convection oven and a nice 2-burner stove. Fridge is actually a pretty good size for such a little one. You got a nice fridge and freezer. Plenty of place to put all your food. Get away for a weekend. There's a pantry and some extra storage up here. Storage above the sink and under the sink. And storage also in the dining room area. You've got a nice dinette. You've got your radio here. Speakers in the ceiling. And I want you to check this out, because you got to look at all the space that you get in this pantry back here in the bathroom. Lots and lots of extra space for storage. Let me let you get in and take a closer look at the bathroom. You can see where the shower is. There's a vent inside this bathroom, also a medicine chest. And in 2019, Apex went with a really nice kind of gray tone look in their wood. It's very beautiful. It's kind of the new neutral, the grays are. It's lighter. People have been very complimentary about it. And in the Northwest, when it's a little bit cloudy and gray, it's kind of nice having something kind of cheerful and bright on the inside. But what a wonderful trailer. This would be great for your family. The price is fantastic. It's easy to tow. We would love to show you. We've got several floor plans of these, but I'm sure we have the right one for you. I'd love for you to come down and give me a call. My name is Christopher.Buystedt. My number 541-636-7878.